The Do Not Disturb mode on your iPhone is a great feature for silencing any incoming phone calls or text while you are driving, while you're in a movie, while you're sleeping, or any other time that you might not want to be disturbed. To use it, you can place your finger at the bottom of your screen and pull upwards to bring up that control center and look for that moon icon. This moon icon is how you turn on your Do Not Disturb mode. Tap it again and turn it off. One other thing you can look at is pull up your settings and look for that Do Not Disturb feature in your iPhone settings, and you can play around with some more details. You can schedule your Do Not Disturb to be take place overnight while you're sleeping, perhaps. You can allow phone calls from your favorites. This is a feature that if you want to silence any incoming phone calls from other people, but allow your close friends and families, that is an option. You can also have a feature where you allow repeated phone calls to come through. If somebody was trying to reach you in an emergency, they might call you multiple times, and that feature being green enabled means they could reach you. One last thing worth noting is the Do Not Disturb while driving. When you tap that, you can enable the Do Not Disturb mode while you're driving manually, or you can have automatically, in the speed of your vehicle, will automatically bring your phone into Do Not Disturb mode. This is a great feature to keep you safe while you're driving down the road and you don't want to be distracted by incoming phone calls and text. So that's a little bit about how to use your Do Not Disturb mode on your iPhone. I hope that's been helpful. Use that mode well, and please remember to subscribe to this channel for additional videos on how to use your iPhone. Thanks. Have a good day.